everyone, welcome to our project video about text procedure. Hello, my name is Rosie and my partner
Rosa?
On this occasion, we will demonstrate how to use a vacuum cleaner.
Yes, this tool can help you clean dusty floors in your home, and of course it can make your job easier. Okay guys, for the full video, stay tuned!
Okay, first check all parts of the machine, make sure they are fixed correctly. Okay, plug in the electronic socket before turning the machine on. Okay, follow me. Okay. Second, press the power button.
Next, move the vacuum cleaner to the dirty floor. Two-way movement and clean slowly. Remove items that cannot be vacuumed. Avoid using in wet places. Match the nozzle with the object to be cleaned. If you want to clean the carpets, use a brush-shaped nozzle. Meanwhile, if you want to clean curtains or sofas, use a nozzle that is in the form of tube. After you have finished cleaning the floor, turn off the power off. Unplug electronics after starting the machine.
Press the cable button, then the cable will be rolled up automatically. And then, push the red button to take the dust bag off. Throw the dust in the dust bag into the broom sink. Like this. And then put the dust bag into the machine.